Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take a screenshot on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, screenshots are commonly used for communication purposes. Users can capture important information or conversations and share them with others via messaging apps, email, social media, or for troubleshooting purposes. And also, screenshots are useful for providing feedback or review on apps, websites, designs, or any visual content. Users can capture specific elements of a product or service to illustrate their feedback. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To capture a screenshot using the basic method, simultaneously press the power button and volume down button on your device, like this. And for an alternative approach, access the control center and add a screenshot tool to the main page by clicking on the pencil icon and then select Edit under the page where you want to the tool. And then choose the screenshot tool and click Done. Subsequently, to take a screenshot, simply access the control center and tap on the screenshot option available. Well, that's the tutorial on how to take a screenshot on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.